welcome back to my channel. Yes, today there's an intro. So today's video is a little bit interesting. You know, we go outside, you know, we dine, party a little bit, go to school.
Eager fire, baby, wanna die for me. You wanna buy baby.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You wanna die for me.
Right now I'm in Ikea looking for a chair, specifically white, so let's go. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with the white chair with the little holes in it. I don't know, when I sat on it, felt like so I just got home. I will be, you know, putting together the chair that I got soon, whatever. But before I do, I want to put on my hair, put in a little bonnet, and then sleep. But before I do, I want to curl my ends. I started already, like a little bit. So yeah, I'm going with a paddle brush and straightener, and yeah, that's how I'm curling it. And also, makeup tip. I used what is it? Ooh. Okay, I used Got To Be glue-free spray, and that's like what keeps my makeup in place. I don't drench my face in it. No, it's just a 1, 2, 3, far away. Everything gets in. I let it dry. Pat it down with a beauty blender or a brush, makeup brush, whatever, and you're good to go. My face, still the same. I haven't touched it. Well, I just touched it up a few minutes ago, but it was flawless, like airbrush. So
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby.
okay, so I'm thinking about building or putting this chair together tomorrow because the girl has been sick. Like, I have like a sore throat, not COVID. I have a sore throat that I have to clear out of the way so I can be able to do my day-to-day, you know, activities. But I'll do this tomorrow because the strength, I don't got it. Like, I don't got it right now, but probably in the morning. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm quickly going to, you know, put on my pajamas and whatnot, you know, take this whole thing down so I can sleep. Okay, I need to sleep. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Before I go, that actually reminds me of skincare. I will be doing it, hopefully. Hopefully I don't skip it. My skincare routine. I don't know if you guys can see this. Oh, focus. Well, it's not focusing anyways, but this is the She Glam Rose Reset Makeup Removal Balm. This itch right here is good. When I say good, good with a T and an exclamation mark. Got my robe right here. Yeah, good night, y'all. Okay, so before I go to bed, I'm going to drink some tea. Okay, specially made by one and only Steffi. Ooh, this is it right here with like the little cinnamon. It's like, you know, frother and cinnamon. This smells so good. It reminds me of like a spicy latte, you know, giving that Christmassy vibe. Yes, that's what I'm getting. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Ah, delicious. I'm gonna do that, then I'll do my skincare. Okay, so change of plans. I am going to put this together tonight, because tomorrow, who knows. Okay, so we need these, right? Okay, first step. Okay, now the chair is fixed, finally. It's good I actually did it, you know, tonight than the morning, because yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. Yay. Yeah, Ikea, thank you. These two from Ikea, the lamp. Listen, I'm about to do a whole Ikea vlog. Like, I haven't done like a few in a month, so. Okay, bye. Mwah. Oh my gosh, my brow game. Okay, so we're going shopping. This is my outfit. I have the little black party bag, this jean jacket I just, you know, DIY, this like white inner, I don't even know where it's from. The skirt is from Aritzia, the scrunchie is from FWD, and yeah, simple, casual, cute, period.
It's OVA the creator.
The little. Oh my god!
Oh my days!
Congrats! Thank you! It's the shape for me. Period!
I love how like it's small, but yeah. It's OVA the creator. It does.
I'm telling you, that's great though. So proud. Oh my god.
Yeah. It's OVA the creator. honey. It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
Oh, by the way, guys, this dress is from Zara. You want to do yours?
Mine's dynamite.
Thank you so
OVA
much.
the creator.
Yeah, my dress is from Dynamite. And my jacket's winners.
It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator. It's OVA the creator.
Just on it on the beat, baby. 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 Just on it on the beat.